Hi guys! A long time no see. This is Julie Green, Unique Independent Presenter. It is Thursday and I got some news that I wanted to share with everybody. I posted a little bit about it yesterday, but I needed to come and kind of explain more than just my photo and what was going on. And I am like so excited. First of all, there have been like a ton of new surprises coming up. They've had one like every other day for the last week. This is called a September to Remember for a reason. So first off, our presenter kit right now is ridiculous. If you've ever thought about getting the presenter kit or definitely becoming a presenter, now's the time to do it. It's limited. I don't know when it's going to end, and it is right now valued at $437. You get it for $99, and then you can sell or you can not sell. I mean, it's totally up to you. There is no catch whatsoever. The only thing that could possibly happen if you decide not to sell is that you would get a discount on your makeup. I mean, I can't explain how simple it is. I keep trying to tell y'all, you've got to sign up and get this stuff. I mean, it's just tons and tons of free makeup and skincare. The mask and the cleansers and so much stuff. It's got some of our new highlighters in it, some of our new lipsticks. There's just a ton of stuff in it. But that is not even why I'm here. I'm just kind of throwing that out there. We also have double party points going. So if you want to get double rewards for having a party or even for buying stuff just for yourself and not even having a party, if you spend over $100 or at least $100, you can get free stuff, free makeup instantly anyway. But if you're gonna spend $100, spend the $99 and get $437 worth of products. Like, it's crazy. Anyway, if you're confused and don't know why I'm so excited or just don't believe me, message me. I will tell you the truth. So anyway, what I'm coming to tell you is about our trio for our luminizers. Y'all, I love our luminizers. You know I loved our bronzers already because I love to have that little summer glow. But when these luminizers came out, I about lost my mind. We've had them a while and I am obsessed with all of them. So we have 3 different kinds. So let me just kind of stop freaking out and tell you why I'm talking to you. I gotta chill. I gotta chill. Y'all, this makeup stuff just because I'm excited. Anyway, this is the a la mode cream luminizer. This is maybe my favorite. I struggle because I use them all a little differently. It comes in several different colors. They all come in the same color families. So if you're not sure what color to get, you can ask me. But these come out cream. So if you don't like a lot of powder, especially if you have mature skin, a cream might be for you. So this color is actually called Iridescent. This is the lightest color we have, but it goes from iridescent all the way up to the darkest color, so you can get more of a bronzy look or even a pinky look, whatever look you're going for. But I can use all of these different colors. I haven't found one that I can't use for something. It just depends on what you wanted to do. But look at this color. Do you see this? I'm gonna rub this on my arm. Do you see the shimmer that is there? Now, obviously, that is way too much. You don't need near that much. I just did a drop. That is gonna go a really, really long way, like really long way. You can use this right underneath your eyebrows. You can use this on your cheeks. This is actually our highlighting, our metallic blushers it's on my cheeks. I do have some luminizer on my nose. You put a little there, some here on your cupid's bow, down here, even up here, anywhere you want to have a little glow. Some people even use these as just all over eyeshadows on your lids. So they're so flexible and versatile. I love these. I can't tell you enough. I mean, I do. I love them. I love them. My girls love them too because they seem to vanish. But that is the iridescent in that color, in that cream. This one is Benevolent. I don't have them all sitting in front of me, but this is what I use a lot for my cheeks. This one is a little darker, and you can see how you have some different options. This gives you more of a gold. This is actually, the cream to powder in this color comes in the presenter kit, the $99 kit. So if you really like this color and you want the cream to powder, this is the color that comes in it. I'm getting it all over the place. Okay, so those are the creams. Now there's multiple colors. This is not all of them, but I know you don't want to hear me blah, 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 blah forever, so I'm gonna just try to limit myself if I can. This is a cream to powder stick. Again, in the presenter kit, you can have this cream to powder stick in this color, but this one's called Benevolent, so it's a little bit darker. It's more of a coppery color. This is great if you want to use it like a bronzer. The neat thing about these is they go on cream, but then they dry to powder. So if you want to blend them in, have more of a softer look, this is a good option for you. So let's look at this one. We're just gonna draw this right on my arm. And do you see how much darker that is? A lot of people use this, again, as a color over their eyes or as a contouring. So you can actually use this as contouring, put it here on your cheeks if you want to, underneath your chin, any way you would have used a bronzer if you're gonna use a darker color like this. Or if you have a darker skin tone, this may be exactly what you need just for that highlight. These are amazing. And the product, look how much product is in here, y'all. I'm never gonna use all of that. These are a great deal. And right now you can get 3 of these in any combination. You don't have to get one of each kind. You can get 3 of the same kind, same color if you want. You can get 3 different colors of the same kind, whatever. Any combination you want, but you can get 3 of these, 32% discount. That's bigger than my discount when I buy products. Although I get 32% plus my discount that I get, so I'm kind of, anyway, you should sign up to be a presenter, just saying. Especially if you like makeup, or even if you don't, because I wasn't really into makeup that much. Now I'm obsessed. Anyways, and then these are the powders. So if you don't want any cream and you just want powder, you want something that's light and airy and blendable, then you've got these. This is actually a color that I broke and tried to fix, so it's not going to go on as well, but that's my fault. But these, this one is pearly. This is pearly. So these are actually normally a powder, and you can see, like, I tried to fix this one, but they come in the iridescent. That's the one I use most of the time, which I thought I had in my hand. But you can take just a little fan brush, brush it in, and just right there, right there. This is perfect for your nose and like Cupid's bow here. I love the fan brush here and here. Love these. So again, they come in all of the same colors, but just depending on what kind of application you want to do. So often I use multiples of these. I don't have a particular one that I only use, but I think probably the cream is my favorite because I have more mature skin. So for me, my skin is very dry, so I like something creamy. But a lot of my clients really like the cream to powder and the powder because they can blend it out easier. So it just depends on what you're looking for. Again, they can all be used different ways. Very, very versatile. So if you want to grab these in the new limited until like September 30th, the new set of 3, the trios, let me know. We are having a double point, so if you're gonna do that, you should probably just consider spending just a $20 more and getting up to $100, and then you can get a free half price item on anything, no matter how much it is. If it's $300, you get it for $150, and you have a year to use those, and you can get at least $20 in Y-Cash, which can go towards anything. So if you want to buy a $24 lipstick, or no, $19 lipstick, you basically get it for free because it's $20 immediately just for $100. But if you have a party with a bunch of people, then you can get their points and get a bunch of more free stuff. So let me know. I'm open to do consults if you want me to come to your house and bring all these goodies and let you look at some things and feel them and touch them. Do it before September 30th because right now you can get a lot more for your money. It's gonna go much, much further. And if you want to really get more for your money, sign up, get that presenter kit, and then you can buy all of this stuff at the discounted prices that I'm giving you, plus at least 20% back in cash in your pocket. So you can tell I'm really excited because I'm about to get all of these things at 32% off, plus I'm going to get 20% back in my pocket. I'm getting it at 25 though because I've been doing a little bit longer. You can do that too. So I'm like super excited about all of this. This is like, yay! This week has been amazing. Amazing. So for real, y'all, this company is going crazy. Think about it, get interested in it. I do have some Epic mascara. I'm actually running Epic and the 3D today. I'm wearing both, but I've got Epic mascara in stock and it's on back order. So if you want any, I've got some in my bag. And I have the lash serum. Oh God, y'all, the lash serum, crazy. I've got that in stock too. So if you need it, let me know. Anyway, I'm always here, even if you're not seeing my face, I'm around. Just ping me, message me. I've always got my phone because, you know, it's the 21st century, right? 21st century. So you can get me anytime. Love to talk to you, love to chat, love to do a consult. Let's play in makeup, have a good time. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Tomorrow's Friday and the weekend's coming. Yay! Anyway, see y'all. Bye.